Hello everyone! Today we will show you how to crop video on Mac with UniConverter 13. Step 1. Launch Wondershare UniConverter. If you don't have UniConverter, you can click the link below. Go to Video Editor. Step 2. Crop the video size. Click the Crop button and add the video that you want to edit. You can rotate the video. You can set the crop size by dragging the video area or enter the size. You can set the video ratio, keep original, crop size, full screen, 16:9, and much more options. Click OK to save the settings. Step 3. Save the video. Choose an output format and click the Start All to export video. You can find the video on the Finish tab. Thank you for watching our tutorial videos. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Click the link in the description to try Wondershare UniConverter for free. See you in the next video.